Good morning, children. I hope so you are doing well. So welcome children to your EVS class. So today we are going to do a new lesson, that is lesson number 12, danger accident. So children, in this lesson we will see identify the situation of accident in the house or outside. So children, here they have given some picture. So let me see here what happens. Observe the picture given below. What is happening in each of the picture? Write in the space provided. Why did this happen? Think. So children, we'll see here in the picture what happens and how did it happen. So in the first picture, children, a boy fell down from the terrace. So children, what he was doing on the terrace? He was flying the kite. See here children, other children also flying, but he by mistake his leg slipped and he fell down. So children, when you are playing on the terrace, you all should be very careful. You should go with your parents and we play with your parents only, other with elders. Next children, here a boy got hurted while bursting the crackers. So children, he has got hurt. See here, when you are bursting the crackers, we should be far away from the crackers. Next children, here see in this picture children, a boy slipped down. So here water, here see children, here there is water. He slipped down. So children, when you are walking inside the house or outside also children, you should be very careful. Next children, in next picture, pushing while they are playing. So here a boy is pushing another boy while playing. This is wrong children. You should not push anyone. Next children, a girl hurted herself while touching the hot vessel. So children, here the girl has got hurt by touching the hot vessels. When you all go to kitchen, you all have to see children, the vessels are hot or cold. If it is hot, don't touch in your bare hands. So next children, here a boy is putting the earbud to his ears. So this is, it will get hurt. If you not put properly the earbud, he'll get hurted. So your parents should do this work. Next children, here a girl cut her finger while sharpening the pencil by blade. So when we are using a sharp things children, we should be very careful. We should never use very sharp things without our elders' guidance. Okay children. Next here children, see the boy has fallen down from the tree. So he was climbing the tree and he fell down. So be careful in every situation children. Now next children, see here a boy was playing swing and he fell down from the swing. So when you are playing also children, you should be very careful. Next children, the boy fell in the water and he is drowning. So when we are going near the water or fire, we should be very careful children. Next page children. See here children, in the next picture, the boy fell down from the wall. So you should not climb the wall, you should not climb the compound. Isn't it children? Yes. Here in the next picture children, the boy touches the hot iron box and got hurted. So children, here a boy got hurted by the iron box. So when we are using sharp items, the hot things, you should be very careful. Otherwise it will hurt you. So these are all situations of the accident. Some may occur inside the house and other may occur outside the house. They are dangerous. So children, when we are going outside the house also, inside the house also, you should be very careful. Have you or your friends ever been in such a dangerous situation before? Discuss your experience with your friends. Collect the information from the newspaper about the accident occurred as a result of burning crackers and display it in the notice board of your school. So this is in the school, one is in the school and one is for discuss it activity, do it with your friends. So children, here know this, should know this. Don't board a moving vehicle. So you should not climb a moving vehicle. Whenever you are on the road, don't ever climb a moving vehicle. Follow the queue to the board to board a bus. So children, when you are getting on the bus, you should never miss the queue. You should not be crowded. You should go in the queue when you are climbing the bus. Don't put your head or hands outside the window while you are traveling in the vehicle. So children, this is very important. Especially as small children, they put their hands, heads and all outside the window while traveling. So that is very dangerous. You should not do that. Don't play in the street. So children, you should not play in the road and streets. While going near the well, while going near the well, tank, pond or river, you should be with your elders. So children, before I told you, when you are going near the water, in well, tank, pond or river, your elders should be there with you. Make a list of precautionary measures that you have learned from your experience and experience of your friends. So children, we have to make a list like this only. Like you should not touch the sharp things, and you should not touch the hot vessels and all. Children, if we are careful, we can avoid the accident. Yes children, if we are careful, then we can avoid all these things. Okay children. Now here, next children, in the situation given below, put a right mark to the right situation and wrong mark to the wrong situation. Discuss this situation with your friends. So children, see here, a girl is alone bursting the crackers. So this is correct children? No, this is wrong. Here children, see here, she is bursting the crackers in front of her parents. Yes, in front of her elders. So this is correct. Every time when we burst the crackers, the elders should be there with us. See here children, the girl is walking on the ground and she has got hurt by the glass pieces. This is wrong children. So here children, see, here girls are playing and a girl is picking up all the glass pieces, waste, whatever will hurt you. This is correct. This is a good thing. Here children, in the next picture, the boys are playing on the street. See here children, this is wrong. We should play in the ground. This is correct children. So this one is correct. So here children, see here, the children are going to the school in a crowd. So this is wrong. They might be pushed or they might be get hurted. So this here children, see in this picture, they are going in the queue. This is correct. So we'll go for next page, children. Here, so here children, there is a song for y'all. Swing and swing, up and down, Vaishali pushed it fast, Shalini fell down. So children, on the swing we have seen now children, a boy falls down from the swing while playing. So we should play carefully. Up and down the tree, playing the monkey prank, climbing and slipping, he fell down. So children, while playing any games, you should be very careful. Leg got fractured, can't walk, oh friend. It has to be plastered. Be careful, my friend. So children, when you are playing, you should be very careful while playing. So it might get plaster, it might all get hurted, fractured. You can get fractured. So you should be very careful. Bursting the crackers, enjoying with pleasure, the crackers bursted with a great sound. So while playing with the crackers also children, you should be very careful. You should be far from the cracker and you should burst the cracker in front of your elders. Dum dum sur sur crackers go round on the floor. Trying to escape, the cracker hit the eyes. So children, when you are bursting the crackers, it might be hurt your eyes. It will hurt your eyes. So you should be very careful. Oh, the eye got burning. The doctor bandaged around. I can't see and I can't play. No more crackers in future. So children, here it is that when you are got hurted, you can't even play and you can't even see. So, and you can't even burst crackers. So you should be very careful while playing with the crackers. So okay children, we'll end up our lesson today here. I hope so you have understood the lesson. So be careful children while playing. Okay children, now we have finished the lessons. So I hope so you all understood the lesson. So you should be very careful children while playing outside the house also, inside the house also. Be careful children, and while using the sharp things also be careful. Okay children, take care. Bye children.